Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 16th of March 2025 and we are almost 2 weeks behind gardening. We have so much work to do. We have lots of chilies to transplant, lots of eggplant seedlings to transplant. So this video is all about tips and guidance, so stay with us till the end. MashaAllah, all my chili plants are growing fast. Just in 2 months. We've started them on the 15th of January, I think, and today is the 16th of March. And if you look at them, they look absolutely beautiful. They look gorgeous, nice and healthy. I get this question asked all the time. How do you get your plants to grow so quickly and so fast? And they look so healthy. It's all about providing them with plenty of light and the nutrients they need. We start our chilies quite early as January. Some people start the chili early as December. So in December, January, we don't get much sunlight here in the UK. Even if you keep your chili plants on the windowsill. It's only till March we start getting longer days and brighter days. So if you want your chili plants to grow quickly and fast and for them to be healthy, I strongly advise you to invest in a grow light. At the end of the video, I will show you my grow light setup that I have indoors so that you can take some ideas from it. These are green long brinjals, and I've got 5 seedlings in this small pot here. They're very crowded in here, so they need to be transplanted into their own individual pots. And I'm going to separate them into these 2-inch pots here. Okay, there you go. So make a hole large enough for this root ball to go in there. Don't forget to label your plants and water them now. Now these are chili plants. There's too many in here and it's time for me to transplant them. These chili plants are quite big now. They're large enough for me to put them in these slightly larger containers. Now these are orange can chilies. Look at these beautiful roots here. Don't be scared, break the soil. Oh, this is beautiful. So dig a hole inside the pot. looks happy in this pot here. Look, looking good. This is the habanero, and this is this plant is too big for this pot here, so I'm going to put them in this slightly larger pot. So fill up the container about 1/3 from the bottom. Not too much, 1/3 from the bottom. This is one of my favorite habanero, not so spicy. Oh wow, this is overdue. So I'm going to take some soil off from the bottom without disturbing the root too much. Okay, so simply I'm going to place it on the larger pot and then fill up the cup with new compost. I'm going to start some onions in these containers, and then I'm going to plant them out in about a few weeks' time. This side down, push it in. These onions, I can keep them inside the greenhouse, and when they're ready I'll plant them out into the ground in about 3 weeks' time. So I'm going to leave them in here, and then I need to water the rest of the plants. So I'm going to add some Epsom salt before I water these plants. That will help them with transplant shock. A teaspoon in a liter of water.
The sun is starting to go down and the temperature is starting to get colder. Let's take these back inside the house and put them underneath the grow light. Come with me so I can show you our grow light setup inside the house. We used to keep our grow light in one of our bedrooms, but it was taking up too much space. My niece and nephews wanted that space for a playroom, so they got what they wanted now, and my dad came up with a brilliant idea to keep the grow light in this airing cupboard underneath the staircase. This staircase over here leads to the loft. This storage cupboard is big enough for at least 40 young plants. it has space for around 40 seed trays. Over here we have our propagator. Underneath the propagator is a heat mat to allow enough heat for the seeds to sprout. This is a full spectrum spider farmer grow light, and we have it hung underneath the staircase using these hook screws. We have the grow light 2 feet above the plants. We don't want the light too close to the plants, otherwise it will burn the leaves of the plant. This full spectrum spider farmer grow light is around 200 to 250 pound, but there's so many different grow lights you could choose from. Do your research online on Google and choose the best grow light for yourself. If you want to grow your chilies fast, quickly, and if you want healthy plants, I strongly advise you to invest in a grow light. It will do wonders for you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like the video. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell to be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.